Today was worse. Today was not a V-shaped recovery. Today was literally a slip and slide straight down for virtually all stocks. There was no safety today. We had airlines down, cruise lines down, tech down, recovery stocks were down. You'd think, oh, maybe this is a rotation from tech to recovery. No, everything smashed, shattered today.
The market is getting ugly and getting ugly fast, okay? NASDAQ dropping rapidly and we're watching stocks bleed, okay? I'm talking 4% moves, 5% moves, 6% moves, 8% moves. I've even seen some stocks today down over 10 percentage points, okay? And it is across the board pretty much. Even the Jack Jackson stocks are all falling today. Look at that, okay? Just stock after stock. I mean, I couldn't even save those stocks. I came out with a video last night, 99 stocks to watch now, all Jack Jackson stocks. I couldn't even save those stocks, okay? Big tech, look at big tech. All down across the board. You know, the FB's down over 3%, Amazon's down 2.6%, Apple's down 2.7%, Google McDougal's down almost 3%. Look at Nvidia today. Nvidia almost an 8% drop on earnings that people said were flat out unreal, amazing. And what happens to that stock? It goes down 8%, man. That's when you start to feel like maybe you're at a little tippy top in the market.
So how do you do it? So rates right now, they're moving up. Do you say, okay, we may be in a little trouble here with this valuation reset. They're going to jump up another whatever up to, you know, maybe 2%. Do you get in front of it or do you just take it as it comes?
No, we use it actually. And so what we've been doing for the last 6 months is expanding the number of names in our portfolio. And we do that as a bull market extends, because in some ways it's a tax efficient strategy. What we will do during a correction, especially a severe correction, we will sell names in which are creating losses now, because again, we've bought them, we've diversified and bought them more recently. Sell those names creating losses to buy our highest conviction names.
Everyone is saying that the stock market crashed today because treasury bond yields are up. What does that mean? Apple is down 3.5%. Bitcoin is down 4.5%. Tesla is down over 8%. The S&P 500 is down 2.5%. All in the last 24 hours. What the hell is going on and what does this actually mean? Should I sell and get out of the market? Slow down. Falling markets can signal a buying opportunity. The theory is that the market is falling because bond yields are up. I'm here to tell you that that theory is tenuous and really not useful to you in the long run. In fact, if 10-year treasury bond yields are up, it typically signals high investor confidence. An increasing bond yield means that investors don't want to buy bonds. They want to buy stocks. So the bond issuer has to increase the yield of the bond, aka the return of the bond, so that people will actually buy those bonds. This minor change in bond yields likely means little in the long run because overall, bond yields have been going up since August. The best advice I can give to you right now is this. Take a deep breath. Check if the companies you are invested in have good fundamentals and will be growing in the long term. If they are, great. Maybe this is a time to buy them while they're at a reduced price. If not, why are you investing in them in the first place?
So this is where logic comes into play, and where a lot of people say, but the market's highly irrational. Logic doesn't work in the stock market. No, it does. You just need to know how to use your logic correctly. Okay, so when you're looking to short the market, Tesla is one of the weakest stocks. That's why it was our #1 trade for the day. These sectors, guys, they have not even yet began to truly correct. Look how much downside you have here, right? Look how much downside you have in the jets, in the travel sector. Look how much downside you have in the energy sector, okay? And so this is why we believe there is so much more downside currently in this market. And so I hope this was eye-opening to you.
I know that Mr. Kirby has provided you with some information on a strike that we conducted this evening, and there's not much more that I'll be able to add at this point, other than the fact that we're confident in the target that we went after. We know what we hit, and we're confident that that target was being used by the same Shia militia that conducted the strikes.
These strikes come a week after the White House signaled its willingness to renew talks on a nuclear deal that President Trump shelved. Our NBC News colleague Richard Engel says tonight's military response, while targeted on Syrian soil, was indeed intended to send a deliberate message to Iran.
President Biden has been in office for 5 weeks. This is the first military action he has authorized. Chief White House correspondent Kristen Welker has more for us. Kristen, what do we know at this hour?
Now, earlier this week, White House spokeswoman Jen Psaki said that the U.S. holds Iran accountable for the actions of its proxies. So again, Lester, that is the broader backdrop as we are learning tonight that President Biden did order those attacks in eastern Syria.